People cannot separate peace from freedom because peace cannot take place unless there is freedom. Shanti Niketan, or a home where peace belongs, justifies its name. A flying white pigeon in the sky depicts the presence of peace, freedom and prosperity which our minds should have. It will become a reality if we think in a proper manner. Let me explain you in brief. When people feel pain in their body, when they are not in good health or they suffer from hopelessness, they need to find a knowledgeable person who is a specialist in his profession and can solve the problem. He is no one but a doctor. Similarly, the need may be compared with your child education. To survive in the growing market of work field, your children will have to get a professional degree to become eligible for a suitable profession or livelihood. So, as responsible parents, you will have to get mentally and financially ready to provide good education to your children. The reason behind doing so is that the cost of education is much cheaper than illiteracy. Now let us talk about dreams. Do you have a plan of having your own dream house? If you don't have a plan, then you won't be interested in finding an architect. But if you have a plan of your own dream house, you should be consulting a specialized person to fulfill your dream. Similarly, getting their daughter married in a grand way is a dream of every parent in the world. Child's education and your child's marriage should be ensured in a cost-effective way. The necessity of child education and the dream of daughter's marriage should be planned in a proper manner. Besides securing the future for our children, their education and their careers, have you thought about the factor that who will take care of the family and the expenses in your absence? For that, you need to protect or ensure your income that stays back in your absence. Similarly, you need old age fund while thinking of the time when you cannot work or get retired and your regular income stops. You have to plan your taxes too. Tax is not a thing for avoidance or evasion. A proper tax planning is required which can reduce tax liability legally. For that, you need a tax consultant who will help you plan your taxes. Similarly, to fulfill all your needs and to materialize your dreams, a specialized planning is needed from a specialized person. You may call the fellow a financial advisor. Mr. Ashim Kumar Kaur, a highly qualified financial planner and wealth creator, offers you expertise in identifying your future fund needs and helps you understand the purpose of financial planning. Mr. Kaur is specially trained to undertake fund need analysis of people with diverse profiles. Being mutual fund advisor, he is certified by NSE's certification in financial markets and is trained in various insurance-related courses from IIOE Mumbai. He also attended huge educational seminar conducted by Indian Chamber of Commerce Kolkata region, Insure Guru Mumbai and Kolkata division of LIC of India regarding financial planning. He has been fulfilling people's future needs and dreams since 2007. He is a tax practitioner certified by St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. Before 2009, he also worked in many commercial houses in the field of taxation, accounts and administration in cities like Mumbai, Gujarat and Kolkata. Now, a financial advisory and a tax planning hub, Shanti Niketan, is run by Mr. Kaur for better services to his elite supporters. Please remember, financial planning is not about today. It is about a brighter tomorrow.